Hey guys, happy Self-Care Sunday. Do you like my Sopranos, like velvetish tracksuit top? It's so Sopranos, I could see Tony Soprano in this right now. Anyway, happy Self-Care Sunday. I am playing around today with Kat Burki. Yay! I have to tell you guys, this Goji Essence, this Kat Burki Goji Essence is next level. Watch. Just watch. It's a fermented toning essence, right? You see how it just lightly foams? There's just something that's so, I don't know, it just feels super nourishing, and it's just like, it's so sensorial. And it's like this little secret I have, this little secret treat I have for myself. I am infatuated with this stuff. I use it day and night at the beginning of my skincare routine right after cleansing. It's, oh, Kat, thank you. I love that. And I also learned, in fact, that it's Kat Burki's favorite herself. So, been having fun, been having lots of fun. This Nutrient C eye cream from Kat Burki, also kind of amazing. And it's going to be part of my blog article in, I guess, is it not this week? This week's facial oils. The week after, so 2 weeks, eye cream finds. So be on the lookout for that. But we're here today to enjoy the Vital Hydration Blast. Okay, so I have done this one time already. This is like a vitamin infused, really thick vitamin infused moisture mask. First ingredient is KB5, which is Kat Burki's complex of moisturizers and vitamins. It's kind of what she's known for. It's at the heart of all of her products. Second ingredient is aloe. Then there's olive oil, jojoba seed oil. Just watch. Watch what happens live, Andy Cohen. That is really all you need. I dispensed like triple that the first time I tried it, and I was like, I've got it all over my neck. There's nowhere else to go. I love this stuff. So it goes on. You see, there's like, I don't really even need any more. It just smooths on, and over the course of, I think the last time I did it, I left it on for like an hour and a half. I was on a Clubhouse chat. I put it on before the Clubhouse chat because I checked it all out, and I'm like, you can leave this, the longer you leave this on, the better. You can use it as a sleeping mask, so there's certainly no reason why you can't just put it on and leave it on throughout the day. So I had put it on like this and gone to do my Clubhouse chat, and an hour later, I know it's on my face the whole time that I'm on Clubhouse because I want to touch my face, like, put my hand down like this, and I kept saying to myself, ooh, no, don't, because you'll get it all over your hands, then it'll be on the phone screen, and just all that. And so anyway, I finished the Clubhouse chat, and I come into the bathroom, and it just looks like a translucent veil of, I don't know, like vitamin infused goodness on my skin. My skin, it just breaks down, and my skin was super like, it looked like it was veiled in water. That's what it really looked like. Like some sort of crazy CGI effect. So this is what Kat says on the product page. I'm on Derm Store. because when it comes to replenishing hydration into your skin and reversing the hands of or lines of time, a moisturizer simply isn't enough. Ain't that the truth? Renowned for seeking and utilizing skin's top shelf ingredients to churn out the newest and brightest skincare has to offer, Kat Burki hits the mark again with the creamy luxe Kat Burki Vital Hydration Blast. Delivering the ultimate hydration and skin restoration to dry and sensitive skin, this nutrient-dense mask instantly penetrates the surface of your skin and begins to repair your complexion's broken, dehydrated, and dull surface. Amen. Actually, do you see what it's doing? And it just like, I don't even know how to explain it. I just love how this feels and then what it does. Like, I'm just going to leave this on and, go chill. Really super impressed with this. I'm super impressed, of course, with all of the Kat Burki products that I've tried. But this Goji Essence, OMG. I'm just going to leave that there. But before I go, I just want to share something that happened to me this weekend. So I learned that my high school English teacher, Jay Shea, passed away. I don't actually know when she passed away. It was probably a couple years ago, and I'm just now finding out. I, like so many people, I graduated high school and then just went on with my life. And my life took me to LA, took me to college, then LA, and I'm back in New York now. And I've always wondered, and I found out that she did pass away, and it just kind of it made me sad. But I just was reminded and just cognizant of the fact that this woman, so here she is. This is my high school yearbook. You see her? This is Miss Shea. She literally changed the course of my life. Like, I would not be an accomplished writer if it weren't for her. Not only an accomplished writer, but a confident writer, and even a confident human being, because she instilled so much in me. And I just am eternally grateful to her loving soul. I mean, seriously. And that's all, guys. Journeys, my high school yearbook. How crazy is that? Cheshire High School. Anyway, that's it, guys. And thank you, Kat Burki. Lit. Look at this. Just look at it. It's magical. All right, that's enough. Happy Selfcare Sunday.